Okay.
Yes. Okay. So children, let's discuss about the data. Okay, so Darshan, see, I'll be revising the topic from the beginning. Okay.
Okay.
It will be a quick recap so that you can understand what we are doing. So see, in the previous class, see Sudarshan, and others can also listen. Siddhant, you were also absent in the previous classes, no? You can also listen to that. Okay.
Yes.
Initially, we started with data handling where we had to find some central tendencies. We call it central E. Central tendencies. What are central tendencies? Central tendencies means to find the center point of something. Like suppose if I have two numbers here, 2 and 4. Okay. If somebody tells me to find the mean of this, how will I find the mean of this? I will add 2 and 4. Mean means to find the middle value. Okay. I will add these values and divide by 2. Why divide by 2? Because these are two entries that I'm adding. These are two numbers that I'm adding. Okay. So mean is what actually? It's average. You must have heard the word average. No, average speed, average marks of your class. Is it? How much is your average in all the marks? Suppose you get your report card. So you find out your average marks. No, what is your average? You do that?
Yes, ma'am.
You know? So teacher also does the analysis after getting the report card, after getting the marks in all your subjects. So teacher also do the analysis of the data, that which child is doing good, who has improved, who is going down. So that is about analyzing the data, right? Now, if I have to find the mean, that is the middle value of this, that will be 2 plus 3, 2 plus 4 will be 6 by 2, that's 3. Okay, this is just a small example I've shown you. Right, children? So, Siddhant, suppose if you have marks of 10 children of your class, somebody got 5 marks out of 10, somebody got 1 mark, somebody got 2 marks, okay, somebody got 3 marks. These are some marks. These are marks of 5 children in your class. You have to find the mean. You have to find the mean. Yes,
And
please.
we'll just add all the data that we have and we'll divide by the number of observations. Like number of observation means 5. Here there are 5 number of observations. So we'll divide by 5. So
yes, absolutely.
Yes.
Okay, you're correct. Absolutely correct. So Sudarshan, please listen here. See, so we don't call it, this is a data, but we call them as observation. This was the first observation, second, third, fourth, and fifth observation. Okay, so we write it as sum of observations upon number of observations. Sum of observations. So we add all these observations upon number of observations. So that how many observations? These are 5 observations, no? So that means number of observations. So this you have to remember whenever you are finding the mean.
And so the mean of this data will be 17 by 5.
Okay. Okay, so when I add all this, divide by 5. So this will be 5 plus 6 is 11, then 12, 13, 14, and 17. So 17 by 5. So mean of this data is 17 by 5. If you still further calculate it, you will get something in decimal point. Right? Okay. So that gives you the mean of this data. So you understood what is mean now? Yes,
Yes,
Sudarshan? Sudarshan, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, ma'am.
Okay. So have you understood what is mean now?
Mean means middle.
Mean is adding all observations, dividing by the number of observations.
Mean means adding all
Observations
observations and dividing
dividing by number of observations.
dividing by number of observations.
Okay, so that in this case, I had 5 observations. First observation, second observation, third, fourth, fifth. I had 5 observations here, no? So I added them all and then I divided by 5. Okay, you understood this much part?
Yes, I understood.
Okay, great. Now the second thing that we studied in this chapter is, for more details, which you can see the recordings also. This is just a recap that I am giving you. Now to find the mode. Now suppose if I have some data, say like this, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 1, 2, 9. Okay, suppose I have this data with me. Now mode is something that gives you the maximum occurrence of any number. Now suppose to find that, what do? I will first arrange this numbers, this set of numbers in either ascending order or descending order. Okay, so let's first arrange it in an order. So I'm taking ascending order. So that's 1, 1. 1 is how many times? 1, 2, 3.
Three
So that's
buts.
3 times. And then I have 2, how many times? 1, 2. 2 is 2 times.
Two
Okay,
times.
3 is how many times? 3
Two
and
times.
3. 3 and 3, right? 4 is how many times here?
One time.
1 time. Okay. Then I have 5, how many times?
One time.
1 time. 7, how many? 6. Is there any 6? No. 7 is how many times?
One time.
1 time. 8 is how many times?
One time.
1. 9,
One.
1. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
So what do I see here? See, this 1 is occurring 3 times, 2 is occurring 2 times, 3 is occurring 3 times, and rest all other terms are occurring 1 time. So that number which has maximum occurrence is which one?
Maximum occurrence.
Which
What?
is repeating maximum number of times.
Maximum number of times.
Yes. Which number is repeating maximum number of times?
Number.
Yes. See this data and tell me, Sudarshan.
Data.
See this. Can you see the screen?
Yes. I see the screen.
Which side is your screen?
This,
Which side is your screen?
this side.
Your computer is that side, and how come your camera is this side?
Yes.
Okay, tell me, just read out the numbers. What are these numbers written? Just read out these numbers, Sudarshan.
Read out these numbers.
Read all these numbers. Tell me what are these?
1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
Yes. Okay, so which number is occurring with maximum times?
Ma'am, 1.
Let Sudarshan say. Okay. Okay, so Sudarshan, which number is occurring maximum time?
Maximum 9.
9.
No,
Tell me
no.
which number is occurring maximum. Occurring means which number is repeating maximum times?
3 times.
Which number is that?
1.
1. So 1 is repeating maximum time. No, see, you can see 1 here written 3 times. There is no other number which is written 3 times. So 3 has the maximum occurrence, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Maximum occurrence number is 1. So that is the mode of this data. Okay?
Okay. Yes, you're right, ma'am.
Okay. So I'll give you one more. Okay, so just take this. In your class, just take an example. In your class, 4 children got, okay, 4 children got 3 marks. Okay. All right. Okay, just take a simple data. We'll do this example later. So I'm just giving you another example of this 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 3, 2, 1, 5, 6. Okay. Now tell me here which number has the maximum occurrence. First step is, what is your first step? To arrange the numbers in order.
First
Okay.
step means arranging order.
Tell
One.
me what is the order first, Sudarshan. Tell me the order. How will I arrange it in ascending order?
0.
What will come first?
One step.
Which number should I write first?
0.
0. Okay. Then
3 months.
3 times 1. Okay. 1, 2, and 1. Okay. Then
3 times 2.
3 times 2. Okay.
3.
Then 3. Okay.
Then 5 and then 6.
5 and then 6. Okay. So here what do you see? Which number has maximum occurrence?
Maximum occurrence. 2 has maximum occurrence.
Okay. 2 is coming 3 times. No? And what about 1?
And one is also have maximum occurrence.
So which one should you think should be the mode? Mode is the number which has maximum occurrence, is it? So
Yes.
in this case, 1 and 2 both are the modes of this data. Okay?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
You're right. Thank you.
Okay. So this was about mode, and now we are talking about the median.
Mediums?
Median.
Median?
Yes.
Oh, I
Ma'am,
knew it.
What happened?
ma'am, but if the mode of the data is large, then we should keep it in tally marks, right? Because it will be easy for us.
We will do that part also. The graphical, the tabular form also we have done. Okay. Okay, we'll come to that also. I think you attended the previous lecture, is it? The previous class, Siddharth?
Yes,
We were
ma'am.
doing the tabular form only.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So we'll do that. Now see here, the median. Now what is median? Median means the middle value.
Median means the middle value.
Yes. The middle value. Now suppose if I have some data, I'm just take an example from this. 1 second, I'll take example from here, from your book. Okay. Okay, chalo, I'll take an example from my side.
What are the examples of median
Okay.
or middle value?
I'm showing you. See here, let's take this data. The data will be, I'm taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Suppose I have these 5 numbers. Okay, this is my data, right? Now suppose if I have to find the median of this. Median means the middle value. Now what do I think would be the middle value in this? See, this data is actually already arranged in order. But if you have, data written randomly like this, 4, 3, 1, like this. So first thing is that to arrange the data in order. Either it can be ascending order or it can be descending order, any order. Okay. So your first step is to arrange in order. So since this data is already arranged, so I'm just writing it as it is. Okay. Otherwise, if it is randomly written up and down, so you have to arrange it first. Okay. Now taking the median. Now I have 5 numbers here. So how many observations I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means I have my observations is 5 here. Okay. So I take n is equal to 5. N means I'm taking number of observations are 5. Are you understanding?
Yes.
I'm just taking a symbol here, n, for the number of observations. So number of observation in this case are 5 observations. Now, if I have to find the median of this 5 observations, means the middle value. So see, the numbers are just 5 numbers. So I can see that this number is falling in the center of this list of numbers. Is it? Number 3 is falling in the center place, no? I have two numbers towards the left side and I have two numbers towards the right side. Is it? Yes. But this is a small list of numbers, so I could make out. What if I have some list of 20 numbers, some list of 50 numbers, or 100 numbers, that many big list if I have? Then what will you do in that case? So in that case, we generate a formula for this. Okay. What is the formula? First, you count the number of observations. So that's, in this case, it is 5. Then what do? If the number of observations are odd, if the number of observation, if n is odd, okay, if n is odd, that means n is 5, okay, then what do? Then the median is always given as, who will tell me? Sritej, you tell me. How is the median given? Sritej is there?
Ma'am, if it is odd, then it is n plus 1
Very good.
by 2.
By 2. So when the number of observations are odd, then the median is given with this formula, n plus 1 by 2th term. This is term, not number. It's term. That means what is n by n plus 1 by 2th term? See here, n is 5. So in place of n, I will write 5. Then plus 1 by 2. That means this is 6 by 2, which is equal to 3.
Third
So that
term.
means third term. So in this list of data, the third term, this is the first term, this is the second term, this is the third term. So the third term gives me the median. Whatever number is written at the third term is the median of the list of data. Okay. So the third term is the number 3 itself.
Ma'am, can you explain me again? I didn't got it.
Okay. See, listen here. When you have in the list of observations, when you have your n means the number of observations are odd. Okay. Suppose I have taken 5 numbers here. 5 is an odd number, no? So
Yes,
the median is given by the formula n plus 1 by 2th term. Now n is 5 here. In place of n, I will write 5 here. So that gives me 5 plus 1 is 6 by 2. That is the third term. So this thing is very important here. The third term of this data is my median value. Okay. So third term in this data is 3. Okay. So that means 3 is the median of this data.
Ma'am, so if there are 9 observations, we'll just
Yes,
add 9 plus
yes,
1, that equals 10 by 2, that is 5.
Yes. So if the number of observations are 9, then you do.
Ma'am, someone's ringing the door.
So don't worry, Mama will see. Okay, Mama is there, no?
Okay.
You just focus here. Okay, so that's 5. That means the 5th term. This is not that 5 is the median. It is the 5th term that is the median. Are you understanding, Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
It's the 5th term. So whatever number falls as the 5th term, that will be your answer. Okay, that will be the median. Right, Siddharth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sudarshan, did you understand something?
Yes, sir. I understand something. 9 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 10 by 2 is equal to 5. That is 5th term.
5th term. Okay. Very good. Now suppose if I am taking some numbers. Okay, I'll take some long list of numbers.
What if the number is even?
That also I'll show you now. Let me just take an example from here, some proper example. Okay. Just a second. Give me 1 minute. I'll just look for an example here. Okay, let's take this example.
Ma'am, the formula is n by 2 plus 1.
I'm doing for the odd one first. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
let's clarify one more time the odd concept. Then I'll come to the even part. Now I'm just taking the list of data that is okay. So the question here is the data is given as 37, 31, 42, 43, 46, 25, 39, 45, 32. Okay, this is a list of data. Now first arrange it in order. You have to find the median in this case. Okay. Now the first step is to arrange it in order, either ascending or descending. That is your choice. So my choice is I'm arranging in ascending order. So when I arrange in ascending order, Sudarshan will tell me which number will come first here. Tell me the order.
Arrange in order.
Yes.
31. No. 25.
25,
31.
31,
32.
32,
37.
37, yes,
39.
39,
42. 43. 45 and 46.
42, 43, 45, and 46. Okay. So count these numbers. How many numbers are these?
Ma'am, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 numbers.
Okay. 1 second.
There are 9 numbers in average, right?
Okay, beta. So these are 9 numbers. So that means my n value is 9. Is it?
Yes.
Yes. I had taken number of observations was n. So that means my n is 9. So if I have to find the median of odd number of observation, that is given by the formula n plus 1 by 2 to a term. Okay. This is very important thing because normally, children mistake it with this part. They think that whatever number comes here is the answer, but actually that is not the answer.
So,
The number at that term is the answer. So if
9.
it is 9, then 9 plus 1 by 2, that is 10 by 2
So now
It's 39.
is the fifth term.
Ma'am, 39.
So fifth term is which one? This is the first term, second, third, fourth, and here the fifth term. Okay. 39 is the fifth term here. So your answer will be, median will be 39. You understood this? Yes, Siddhant?
Yes, ma'am.
And Sudarshan, what about you? Did you understand this?
Yes, you are right, ma'am.
Okay. Now I'll show you if the number of observations are even observations. Okay. So please pay attention. Now we have to find the median. The data I'm giving you here is
Ma'am, when will we come to our topic?
I will come with it. 25, 32. This is also your topic. Just take it as a recap of that. This is
Ma'am, means like the tabulary form.
we'll come to that also. Okay. 25, 34, 31, 23, 22, 26, 28, 20, 32. This topic is also yours. Hamza, this topic is not any different. This is the same topic that's going on.
Yes, ma'am, I know, but then I'm more interested in the tabulary.
Okay, never mind, Bachit. Just do the revision of this. For you, this is a revision. For those who were not there, for them, it's the first time. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So be little patient. Okay? Okay. So just count the number. Okay. First step is to arrange it in order.
Ascending order.
Yes, arrange it in ascending order.
20,
20,
22,
22,
23,
23,
25, 26,
Uh,
28, 31, 32, 34, 35.
35. Okay. So,
So shall I count the numbers?
how many numbers are these? What is the n value?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 numbers.
So 10. So that means 10 is even number, no?
Yes.
Okay. So if I have to find the median of some even number, then what do I do? So my even number will be, I have to find the n by 2th term first. Okay. It will give me the n by mean of n by 2th term plus n by 2th plus 1th term. Now I'll explain you divided by 2. Okay. I'll explain you how to do this. Now see n is 10 here. So this gives me n by 2. And what is n by 2? First I'll find out here first. N by 2 is 10. 10 by 2, that is 5. Okay, so this is 5th term. Okay, so I've written here 5th term. And then this is n by 2th plus 1. N by 2th was 5th term. 5th term plus 1st term is 6th term. Okay, so 5th term and 6th term by 2. Okay, so what is the 5th term here? Just count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5th term is 26. Okay, I write 26. 6th term is what? 28. I write 28 here. Divide by 2. Okay, so this is what actually? This is the mean, no? Mean of the 5th and the 6th term. Are you understanding?
Yes.
So 6 plus 8 will be 14 here, then 5, 54 by
54
2.
by 2 is equal to 27, right?
Yes. Okay, so that gives you the median of this is 27.
Yes.
Okay.
You're right, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth, you understood this?
Ma'am, median is 27.
Yes, Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, median is 27.
Yes, median is 27, beta. The middle value.
I can't see 27 in the array. Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, but
There is not 27 in the.
Can you explain the sixth term again? How do you got the sixth term?
See, n by 2th plus 1th term. N by 2th term was the 5th term. Okay, and plus 1 means the next term. That is 28. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so 5th term plus 6th term by 2. So this is the mean of the 5th and the 6th term. So that is 5th term is 26.
27 is not there in the list.
Ma'am, but 27 is not there in that number.
So
how can it be a median?
the median has to be this only, no? The middle value here. So what do you think would be the median? 26 or 28?
Yeah.
How
Yes.
can that be? How can that be?
And 26.
See, if I'm giving you two numbers here, 2 and 4, and I tell you to find the mean of this. So the list of two numbers is this, and I get my answer as 3. So will you say that 3 is not in the list, so we will not accept 3 as the answer? Will you say that?
No.
No, no. So median has to be whatever is the median value.
Okay.
Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
This was the list of numbers. These numbers were all given randomly: 20, 22, 23, 25, 27, 26, 28. So there were so many numbers were missing in the middle. Okay, that does not make any difference. The median has to be the value whatever comes. Okay. It's not our choice that the 27 is not in the list, so we will not take. So then what else will you take? You cannot take 26, you cannot take 28. 26 is not the median, 28 is not the median. What median is 27, so you have to take that value. Okay. So that does not make any difference whether it is there in the list of data or not. If that's a median, then it is a median. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now see. Coming to the tabular form. Yes, Hamza was waiting.
Finally, ma'am.
Hamza, finally. Beta, you have to be patient, okay? Because we have to see all other children, right? Okay, so let's see the data. Let me just take out a good example somewhere.
Ma'am, when will the class end?
When will the class end?
Yes, ma'am.
When will the class end, ma'am?
In 1 minute.
It'll end at 7:30, beta. Just few minutes are left. Okay. So let's see the mean find out. Let's do with the tabular form. See, in median questions, you won't get that tabular form. The tabular form you will get only in the mean part. Okay. For mode and median, you don't get any.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, you didn't do the range part.
Range part. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. See now range. What is the range now? See what is the range here in this question? Please see children. Sudarshan and Siddhant. The range is the difference between the highest value and the lowest value. Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
will say 15.
So this is the difference between the highest and the lowest value. So highest value is 35. Lowest value is 24.
Ma'am, the range is 15.
So that's 15. So difference between the highest and the lowest value gives you the range of the data. Okay, let's find the mean now. Now the x is given to you as x is given, f is given, right? Let's take some values of f and x. So x
Ma'am,
is
you gave a homework.
okay. I gave you this as a homework.
Yes, ma'am, you gave a homework.
Okay, never mind.
But we did this question in the class.
Okay, we have done this in class.
Yes, ma'am, you
Never
Ma'am, we
mind.
have done this in class.
We must have done. If they are saying we must have done, then no problem with you. It will
No,
be a
it's like maybe this class no. Maybe you
Yes,
gave
ma'am,
us
this class
homework,
only you
but
told us. You gave
No,
us
ma'am, you told
okay,
that
it's
as
okay,
Wednesday.
whatever. Just take it as a recap. Even if we have done, it's okay. Just listen to it again. Okay?
we did it a kind of.
Yes, okay. We have done so many questions of this type. Now see here. The question is, if the mean of the following data is given to you as 6, it's saying the mean is given as 6, then find the value of P. Find the value of P. Okay. So you have to find the unknown value here. So what will you do first? You will first arrange the data in your tabular form like this. Xi, Fi, and what do you have? The sum of observations. That is Fi into Xi, and then you will add them up. Okay, let's write down this 2, 4, 6. 1 second. 2, 4, 6, 10, P plus 5. Okay. So nothing happens if some question is repeated again. Be patient and listen to it. Right? What if such question comes in the exam? You will say we have done, but we will not do it again. So this is 3, 2, 3, 1, 2. So these are the frequencies which are given. So I have just jotted down all the x values. That means the class marks. I have noted down the frequencies. And now I will take Fi into Xi. So that means frequency multiplied with the data. So that is 2 into 3. So that is 2 into 3 gives me 6. 4 into 2 gives me 8. 6 into 3 gives me 18. 10 into 1 gives me 1. And
10.
what happened?
You saying wrong, ma'am. 10 into 1 is equal to 10.
So
So P plus 5 into 2.
what happened? What went wrong? P-
This one. 10 into 1 is equal to 1.
Where is 1? This is 10, dear.
Really?
Can you see the screen?
Yes, I see this screen.
So what is
Ma'am,
wrong?
you
here?
told one when you were telling.
I told 1. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so 10 into 1, it's written here, no? 10. Okay, so P plus 5 into 2 is, I'll just multiply, that is 2P plus 10. Okay. So when I multiply P plus 5 into 2, that becomes 2P plus 10. You know this? How do we multiply this, Sudarshan?
Yes.
We have something inside the bracket. So that I'll just write it here. 2P plus 10. Okay. This value is this. Okay. So now I will take the sum of these observations. So the number of observations are how many? That is summation F. Summation F will be what? Just take the total of these values. Advika, tell me what is the total of these values?
Ma'am, for the sigma F,
Yes, beta.
okay, so it's 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's 11.
11. Okay. Now tell me for Fx, Fixi.
Okay,
Hmm.
so it's like 28.
Yes. I'm just writing
Okay.
2P plus 10 as it is. and
Okay,
then the
so-
number.
Forty-two.
52.
42.
52. Okay. 42. Okay. When you add this becomes, when you add 10, this becomes 52. Okay. This was 42. You said right. When you add 10, this becomes 52 here.
Okay, I
Okay.
didn't see that.
It's okay. Okay. So that means summation Fixi is 2P plus 52. Okay. Now let's put it into the formula that we have. The mean we have is Fi summation Fixi upon summation Fi. Is it? This is what we do. Okay, so the mean was already given to us in the question, that was 6. It was given here 6. The mean is already given. So we, in place of mean, we will write the value of mean that is given. And then we have 2P plus 52 upon 11. Right? So what does this mean? Now when this goes on the other side, this becomes 66 equals to 2P plus 52. So we have to find the value of P from here. Can you find the value of P, children?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me the value of P. What do you get?
2P plus 52.
Yes, tell me the value of P.
P, the value of P.
Put it in your notebook and tell me.
Ma'am, is it 7?
Shall I see the next step?
1 second, Vita. I know you can do. Yes, I'm asking Sudarshan. Sudarshan, do it on your notebook.
Mom, I have doubt.
Yes.
Mom, like how did it become,
Yes, Charvin.
Mom, how did it become 66?
When I cross multiplied this, 6 into 11, it gave me 66. Okay, 11 was dividing this side. On this other side, it got multiplied. Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so 2P will be 66. 52 goes on the other side, it will become minus here. So that
66 minus 52 is equal to 13.
okay. Okay.
66 minus
Say no.
66 minus 2 is
Ma'am,
equal
it
to
is
14.
14.
Is this.
Yeah.
P is 7. Right?
14 divided by 2 is equal to 7.
Yeah.
Yes, children.
So P is equal to 7.
Understood this?
Yeah.
Yes,
tabular form. Otherwise, the mode and median questions are same as we have done earlier. Okay, that does not need any tabular form. All right, children.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, beta. So thank you for you children. Okay.
Thank you for giving us for the data handling.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Bye bye. Bye. Good night to all.